So Buildcor sent me this ladder stabilizer to try out here, so thank you to the company for sending this out to me. So this is a stabilizer you can attach to pretty much any ladder. It is adjustable, so you attach these hooks to one rung there, and then these hook onto the top rung right there. So this one has the roof attachment, so if you have a like a roof, you can put this over the top, so that'll kind of hook over the top of the roof and keep it in place. This one also has these arms, so if you want to keep your ladder off the gutters so they don't damage the gutters, this will really help with that. So these will rest on the roof so your ladder doesn't touch the gutter and damage them. So that is really nice. They also have these wheels down there at the bottom, so as you can see, you can drag your ladder around. Makes it really nice and easy. This does add some weight to the top of the ladder, so it makes it a little bit more top heavy because it is this really nice carbon steel, really nice and heavy duty. Really cool orange color as well. So you can see I have the ladder here. I'm going up onto my roof here. This stabilizer gives it a wider base here to keep it more stable and keeps it off your gutters and resting on your roof there, so it doesn't damage your gutters, as you can see right there. If you're using it against a flat wall, you can do that as well, and it'll keep your ladder from touching the wall, and it'll give you a wider base there as well along the wall, so keep your ladder more stable. So yeah, if you are looking for a really nice ladder stabilizer, using your ladders a lot, this is a really great tool to make it safer to use your ladder and to protect your home.